Meaning of horsehair.
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 Horsehair. Horsehair is the hair of a horse, which is typically coarse and rough in texture. It is commonly used in various applications such as making musical instrument bows, upholstery, and brushes due to its durability and stiffness. The hair is usually obtained by grooming or shaving the horse's mane and tail. Horsehair can also be dyed and woven to create ornamental items like bracelets and necklaces, or used as decoration for hats and accessories. Due to its versatility and toughness, horsehair remains a popular material with a wide range of uses.